Sa halagang 1,999, meron ka ng solid helmet intercom na merong noise cancellation at music sharing. First look sa Blaze V2 helmet intercom. Grabe, sa packaging pa lang, panalo na. Naka-plastic sealed all around para iwas gasgas at safe sa delivery. Okay, unbox na natin to. Ooh, nice. Ito yung kanyang Type-C charging cable, helmet speaker, microphone pads, another microphone, manual. So, same lang din yung nakalagay dito. Then, ito yung kanyang main intercom unit. Okay. And another intercom unit. And this one, ito yung kanyang mga mounting bracket and clips. So, napansin ko, compact, lightweight, and hindi bulky at solid yung build quality. Nakita nyo naman, meron siyang RGB lights for extra style sa night rides. And meron itong 1,000 mAh na battery na kayang tumagal ng 15 hours gamit yung kanyang intercom at 18 to 25 hours naman while playing music. So, meron din itong ENC noise cancellation at higit sa lahat, at pinakamaganda, itong dalawang to, naka IP66 water resistant na perfect sa daily rides setup. So, quick mic check tayo.
Then sa harap yung mic, di ba? Mic check, mic check. Ganito kalinaw ang audio kapag naka-helmet. Testing, 1, 2.
So far, malinaw naman yung audio at usable for calls and intercoms. Ang presyo nito is 1,999 pesos lang. So, sulit for the features. So, kung naghahanap ka ng budget-friendly at may quality na helmet intercom, this is the Blaze V2, also available in other variants.